Welcome back. We are here on Ether looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Thursday, March 11, 2021. If you like to support the channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon, where you can get access to our full technical analysis, our live sessions, and also our courses and so on. So you're welcome to join, and the link is down below. So we'll start by looking at Bitcoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin basically has rallied all the way up towards its all-time highs. At this point, it looks like we are about to pull back a little bit. So it doesn't seem like we are ready to take out these all-time highs. If we do, then we're going to head to basically all the way to 60 and probably 65 and then 70. But it doesn't look like we have that momentum at this point. It looks like we are going to round off here, head back towards the 20 exponential, and then go higher. If we manage to take out these highs, then there's going to be a massive rally towards the upside. But still, pullbacks towards the 20, you can see basically all the way back here, 20, 50 have been holding quite very nicely. So it is basically getting Bitcoin on a cheap if it falls all the way down to the 50 and so on. That is probably not going to happen at this point. That it would be fairly optimistic of me to basically say. But if you look at the technical indicators, they are slowly turning around, and that usually means that we are going to head towards the 20 and then head back towards the all-time highs and probably take out the all-time highs. So let's look at Ethereum. So also here, we basically seems like it has run out of steam. It looked really impressive yesterday, and then it basically fell apart. At this point, we can see the stochastic is turning around, crossing the signal line. So that is a bearish indication, and this could mean that we'll head back towards the 20, probably the 50, before going higher. It looked really impressive yesterday that it probably would go all the way to the highest here of 2000 and probably take out 2000, but that seems to be not the case at this point, and it's turning around. So CCI is turning around, the RSI is turning around, and the MACD is still bullish at this point. So pullbacks towards the 20 will most likely be bought into, and so will be the pullback towards the 50 as we go all the way back here. We can see that this is how it has been behaving. Pullbacks towards the 20 have been bought into, and also the 50. So it'll probably not take out the 2000 level yet, but pullbacks and rally from there probably give another try. So let's look at Cardano. So Cardano is still hovering here at the 20 exponential, and usually when something just stays in the same area, doesn't manage to break down, it just pops to the upside. That is usually the case. However, that probably will take some time, as these technical indicators are at the moment very bearish. So a break below the 20 exponential opens the door to $1, and then all the way down to the 50 down here at the 0.79. So a rally from here will test 1.25, and then probably not all the way to the 1.44, but probably around this area at the 1.32. So let's look at Litecoin. So also here, it looked really impressive yesterday, and then it kind of slowed off. So I don't know if this probably because Bitcoin is rounding off, it has the similar effect on most of the other cryptocurrency. They tend to be fairly correlated, mostly all of them. Bitcoin usually leads the way, and then everybody else, all the other coins follow. So at this point, we're trading at 201, so we have broken 200, but it looks like we are rounding off here. So probably head back towards the 20 exponential or the 50 moving average. As we saw back here, this was in January 2021, where we rallied up towards 184, broke down really heavily, then rallied up towards a half, similar to what we did here, and then broke back down to the 50 moving average. We could see something similar to this. If we rally from here, then we are going towards these highs of 134, from the 35, and so on. But pullbacks towards the 20 and the 50 will most likely have a lot of buyers coming in and buying it there. So let's look at NEO. So we are also here. We had a massive rally yesterday and broke down, and now we broke down yet again. And also here, it looks like we're going back towards the 20 exponential. If that breaks, we can go all the way down to the 50 at the $33. Technical indicators, they are basically all over the place at this moment. MACD is flat, stochastic is bullish, the CCI is flat, and the RSI is flat. So a rally take out of these two tops here, that could open the door to at least 50. So let's look at Dash. So I dropped basically from my analysis because I think these cryptos, some of these cryptos are more important than the promise. Sorry. So Dash has been one of those cryptocurrencies that has been performing really, really well. We see this massive move to the upside all the way from around $100 up towards $331, then broke down really aggressive, lost most half of its value nearly, and then we have started rallying again. Also here, we ran into resistance around this area, 236, and now we're breaking down most likely towards the 20 exponential. And this has also in the past broken down beneath the 20 exponential towards the 50. So I think that 200 around this area here should offer quite a lot of support. Technical indicators, they are slowly actually been quite bullish. MACD is crossed into signal lines, stochastic is bullish, CCI is bullish, and the RSI is fairly flat at this point. So pullbacks towards this area here around 200, that will probably give a lot of buyers being interested in that area there. So hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support our channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.